कैटवॉक वाली बेबी है तेरी चाल, बैकलेस सूट विच लगदी कमाल। ओ किथे चली जांदी है, ओ किथे चली जांदी है। तेनू पुछना है इको ही सवाल, ओ दस दे कुवारियां या किस दे तू नाल। क्यों दूरों दूरों जानी है, जान कट जानी है। इन्हें भी नखरे तू करना सोनिए, इन्हें भी नखरे तू करना सोनिए। दिल मेरा तेरे लिए धड़के नी। अज फिर किथे, अज फिर किथे, अज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बनके, मोरनी बनके। अज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बनके, मोरनी बनके। संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक, संडे तो लेके सैटरडे तक कर दे वेट तेरी खटके नी। अज फिर किथे, अज फिर किथे, अज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बनके, मोरनी बनके। अज फिर किथे चलनी है मोरनी बनके, मोरनी बनके। ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਤੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਹੌਟ ਲੱਗਦੀ, ਉਹ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਦੀ ਰਾਣੀ ਬਾਏ ਗੋਡ ਲੱਗਦੀ। ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਤੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਹੌਟ ਲੱਗਦੀ, ਉਹ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਦੀ ਰਾਣੀ ਬਾਏ ਗੋਡ ਲੱਗਦੀ। ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ ਕਰਦੀ ਐ ਸਮਾਈਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ, ਕਿਸੇ ਸ਼ਾਇਰ ਦਾ ਵਰਡ ਜਾਂ ਥੋੜ ਲੱਗਦੀ। ਲੱਕ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਲੀਨ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ, ਟਾਈਟ ਵਾਲੀ ਜੀਨ ਚੜਾ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਸਭ ਢੱਲੇ ਨੀ। ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ, ਅੱਜ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ,
नचती दुनिया सारी, और तू मच लक हिलते ने, और करके फुल तैयारी। आरी आरी नचती दुनिया सारी, और तू मच लक हिलते ने, और करके फुल तैयारी। आज मान मेरी बात, ढोल बज्जे सारी रात, यही राइट डिसीजन है। वेडिंग द सीजन है, ओ सोनिया डांस द रीजन है। वेडिंग द सीजन है, ओ सोनिया डांस द रीजन है। वेडिंग द सीजन है, सोनिया डांस द रीजन है। मेरे नचने की वीडियो स्नैपचैट पे डाल दे, मेरे संग टुन शुड़ होके सारी रात निकाल दे। मेरे नचने की वीडियो स्नैपचैट पे डाल दे, मेरे संग टुन शुड़ होके सारी रात निकाल दे। कोई मुंडा वहाँ नचे और कुड़ियाँ नचे, नहीं करनी डिवीजन है। वेडिंग द सीजन है, ओ सोनिया डांस द रीजन है। वेडिंग द सीजन है, ओ सोनिया डांस द रीजन है। वेडिंग द सीजन है, सोनिया डांस द रीजन है।
ਆਰੀ ਜਾਰੀ ਨਚਣ ਦੀ ਮਾਰਾ ਮਾਰੀ, ਉਹ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰ ਗਿਆ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਉਹ ਠੁਮਕਾ ਅਤਿਆਚਾਰੀ। ਹੱਥ ਚੱਕ ਚੱਕ ਨੱਚ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ, ਯਹੀ ਬਸ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੈ।
वेडिंग द सीजन है, सोनिया डांस द रीजन है। वेडिंग द सीजन है, सोनिया डांस द रीजन है। You gotta know me if you love me, you gotta show me। Let you
मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या, मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या, तेरी मेरी कहानी
Ratnaben Patel with Rajvi Amin, daughter of Shri Ravindra Bhai and Anita Ben Amin. Lord Vishnu and Goddess of Lakshmi are considered and worshipped as ideal couple in our scripture. And today, Ishan, you are being worshipped as Lord Vishnu and Rajvi, of course, as Goddess of Wealth. So first thing we are going to do is to go to pray.
Back it up now.
ये तेरी मेरी बातें, ये मीठे मीठे पल, ये भीगे भीगे मौसम में लेना हमें घर, तेरे लिए मैं हूँ, मेरे लिए तू है, कर किस बात
शान्तिकोत्तपुण्यानां सरसिजनिलये सरोजहस्ते धवलधरां सुखगन्धमाल्यशोभे भगवती हरिवल्लभे मनोज्ञे त्रिभुवनपुत्रिकरि प्रसीद मह्यं विष्णुपत्नी क्षमा देवीं माधवी माधव प्रियां लक्ष्मीं प्रियां सखी देवी नमाम्यच्युतवल्लभां महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् श्रीवर्चस्वमायुष्यमारोग्यमाविद्याचो यते धान्यं धनं पशु बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरं दीर्घमायु इति श्रीसूक्तं समातम्.
Congratulations. I'm not going to say you are seeing each other for the first time in this mandap. All right, beta. Now you are going to stand up. You are going to take this garland. And Ishan, you are also going to stand up. Beta, no, you. Ishan, you are going to stand up. No, you are standing. All right. First, Rajvi to Ishan. Let's say who can make the biggest noise. All right. Ready? ॐ मांगल्य तंतुनानेन भर्तु जीवन हेतुना कंठे बदनामी सुभगे तम जीवम सरदा सतम. All right. બંનેને વરમાળા પહેરાવવાની છે સાચવે રહીને બધા વડીલોની પ્રેઝન્સમાં. This is signifies the union between the two souls, union between the two families, 7 generation coming together. And now આપણે મૂવ કરવી પડે ને ચેર. આ ચેર બધા હું કહું ત્યારે ધીરે રહીને પહેરાવજો. This is the way to hold it. આ પ્રમાણે હોલ્ડ કરજો. આગળી વચ્ચેની બે આંગળીથી હોલ્ડ કરવાની. અને when I recite the mantra, we are going to pray to God that this union lasts forever. You guys have all the material wealth in the world, all the blessings from the God and our parents, your forefathers, everybody. तदेव लग्नं सुदिनं तदेव तारा बलं चंद्र बलं तदेव विद्या बलं दैव बलं तदेव लक्ष्मी पते तेन्द्रियुगम स्वरामि. હવે મૂકી દેજો ધીરે રહીને. ડ્રોપ ઇટ વેરી સ્લોલી. ઓમ સ્વસ્તિ સુયા વિનાશાખ્યા પુણ્ય કલ્યાણ વૃદ્ધિદા વિનાયક પ્રિયા નિત્યમ ત્વામ ચ શત્રુ બ્રુવંતુ નઃ. પછી હાથને ભેગો કરી દીધા. પછી એને કવર કરવાનો. All right. હવે આપણે પેરેન્ટ્સ રેડી. ઓમ અત્રાદ્ય कश्यप गोत्रस्य पटेल प्रवरस्य श्री कनुभाई शर्मणः पौत्राय कश्यप गोत्रस्य पटेल प्रवरस्य श्री योगेश भाई शर्मणः पुत्राय कश्यप गोत्रस्य पटेल प्रवरस्य ईशान नामने वराय कश्यप गोत्रस्य अमीन प्रवराय जमनादास शर्मणः पौत्रीं कश्यप गोत्रस्य अमीन प्रवराय रवींद्र भाई शर्मणः पुत्रीं कश्यप गोत्रस्य अमीन प्रवराय राजीवी नामनी श्री रुक्मिणी विवाह कन्या दासयेः उभयोः पाणिग्रहणं भवन्तु. मंडपदस्तात् सौभाग्य संपन्ना विविध अलंकार कृतः पयः पानादि द्रव्यादि सहिता मदन फलबद्धां प्रयागवट शाखा विस्तारेण 71 शतकोटि कुल उद्धार श्रेयस वसे कश्यप गोत्रस्य पटेल प्रवराय ईशान नामने वराय मधुपर्केण पूजिताय तत् संतान परंपरा वृद्धये यावत् चंद्र दिवाकरो इमाम राजवी नामनी कन्या यथाशक्ति स्वजनः साक्षिभिः तव्यम अहम संपदेन तेन भगवन्तो श्री लक्ष्मीनारायणां प्रियतां नमः कृतस्य कन्यादानस्य कर्मणः सांगताः सिद्ध्यर्थं सुवर्ण निष्क्रिय दक्षिणां दान्ते. Both Rajvi and Ishan now are side by side together forever, of course, and now they are going to pray to Lord Ganesha. Okay, very short puja of Lord Ganesha. Om Sumukhasya Kadanto Kapilo Gajakarnakah Lambodharasya Vikato Vignanasho Vinayaka Dhumraketur Ganadyaksho Balachandro Gajanana Dvadasetani Namani Yah Padedu Yadapi Vidyarambe Vivahe Cha Praveshe Dirgame Tatha Sangrame Sankate Chaiva Vignastasya न जायतसे. ओम गणानात्मा गणपति गुम हवा महे निधिनात्मा निधिपति गुम हवा महे प्रियानात्मा all of it प्रियपति गुम हवा महे. Now we are going to light up the fire, but before we light up the fire, Mauli is going to come here and help tying the knot. It is a saying in our scripture that to the sisters we are supposed to give. So Mauli came here to help tying the knot. છેડા ગાંઠણ માટે Mauli આવી. Mauli, please stand up. Mauli Ishan's sister છે. Please recognize her. And of course, Ishan is going to give her lots of money, right? Absolutely. Yeah. All right. Slowly. Om Vayave Swaha Idam Vayave Namaha. Om Suryaya Swaha Idam Suryaya Namaha. Next one. Yeah, હજુ વાર છે. ओम अग्निवरुणाभ्याम स्वाहा इदम अग्निवरुणाभ्याम नमः. ओम अग्निवरुणाभ्याम स्वाहा इदम अग्निवरुणाभ्याम नमः. ओम अग्नये अयसे स्वाहा. When the word swaha comes, you put it in. Swaha means whatever I have, I am offering it to you. It means that whatever excess money which you have, after all your basic needs are satisfied, you supposed to help out others, less fortunate people. That's why we are offering it in this way. Okay, there are a lot of less fortunate people in this world, and that is the principle behind that. Next one, Om Agnaye Ayase Swaha Idam Agnaye Namaha. Next one, Om Varunaya Savitre Vishnave Vishwebhyo Devebhyo Marudvayah Swarkebhyascha Swaha. Next one, Om Varuna Aditya Yaditye Swaha. Om प्रजापतये नमः स्वाहा. ओम योजक नाम अग्नये नमः स्वाहा. Last two, Om Shriye Namah Swaha. Shri means goddess of wealth, which is you are today, and God, Lord Vishnu, you are today. Last one is for you. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Swaha. Now we are going to have, the brothers are here. The brothers are going to say to the sisters, Rajivi, you are getting married, beta. Your marriage will be over soon, right? And what is going to happen is that as a brother, he is supposed to help you out. So he is going to give you the material. No, wait a second. Listen, you don't have to help her. Because she is now going to say that you don't have to worry about her, because now Ishan is going to take care of her. Alright? And that is why all the material, the brothers are going to give them. They are going to offer it to fire, God of fire. So you just hold this one. હવે તમે બધા અહીંયા આવી શકો છો. There are lots of flowers here. You can shower the flowers on the Ishan and Rajvi. There are flowers here. Take the flowers. Make sure, guys. ઉપર આવા से આવું હોય તો. All right. ચલ બેટા આપી દે. Both of you. Give them. Each time. Ready? Om Airmaniye Swaha Idam Airmaniye Namaha. One more. Om Agnaye Swaha Idam Agnaye Namaha. Last one. Om Agnaye Swaha. All of it. Idam Agnaye Namaha. Right hand in right hand, and you are now going to circle around fire. The first Mangal Fera is for Dharma. Dharma means righteousness. Do the right thing. Do it right. That is what the first one for the Mangal Fera. Ready? Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu. idam agnaye namah. Om agnaye swaha idam agnaye namah. The second Mangal Fera, Atma Rakhvano Tamare Ave. Now remember, never leave the hand, right? Very important. Right hand with right hand, and you circle around fire second time. Second time is for artha. Artha means earning the money in right way, ethical way. Niti thi paisa kamawa ena માટે છે. Go. Next one. Second Mangal Fera. This is the third one. Third Mangal Fera. We are circling around fire. Fire acts as a witness to the ceremony we are doing. Number one, fire is also a symbol of sacrifice. બંને એકબીજા માટે બલિદાન આપવું પડશે. Marriage is give and take. Remember that. So that is second. Om Armaniye Swaha Idam Armaniye Namah. Om Agnaye Swaha Idam Agnaye Namah. All of it. Om Agnaye Swaha Idam Agnaye Namah. The third one is for Kama, enjoying the life. Remember, you work so hard for your money, right? You have to enjoy life. Don't accumulate wealth for your second, third, and fourth generation. Enjoy it. Go on vacation. Drink and be merry, okay? Very important. My advice. So third one, go. Mangal Phera, third one. સારું ને વેકેશન કરવાનું. આપણા પૈસા 70% અહીં મૂકીને જવાના. શું કરવાના? બીજાને માટે રાખવાના? પોતે ના વાપરે? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garuda Dvajah Mangalam Pundarikaksho Mangalayatano Harim Sarva Mangalam. Now you have to switch the side beta very carefully. Tangle na થાય. હા બસ બસ excellent beta. Perfect. Last one. The last Mangal Fera, the fourth one is for moksha, in which women are ahead. Remember, Rajvi, we switch the side here. You know why? Because women are lot more softer in nature than men. Number one. Number two, women never worked before, right? And the third one is, the first three things is man's responsibility. So he was ahead. But the last one, closer to God, is your responsibility. So if the husband go haywire, bring him down to earth. Remember that. And that is the fourth Mangal Fera. Go for it. Om Armaniye Swaha Idam Armaniye Namah. Om Agnaye Swaha Idam Agnaye Namah. Om Agnaye Swaha Idam Agnaye Namah. Circle around. Mangalam fourth one. Together you say it. We will share the responsibility of our home. First step. So now the second step, please touch the second betel nut. We will work to develop mental, physical, and spiritual strength. Third one, be careful with the other one. Don't get. Together we will prosper and share our wealth. both of them, they are heart of each other. Ring exchange ceremony. Om Swasti Puya Vinasakya Punya Kalyana Ruttida Vinayaka Priyadityam Kamcha Shatru Bhuvantulah Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Garudadhwajah Mangalam Pundarikaksha Mangalaya Tanoharim Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. You can show it. God bless you. Chalo karo beta beta.